Why is it that women seem to have a different standard on them than the men? I was watching a video where a guy was going around asking questions to Muslims and asking the men, "Would you marry a Christian woman?" And the Muslims guy says, "Yeah, I would marry a Christian woman." He says, "Well, would she have to convert to Islam?" And he says, "No, she doesn't have to. It's her choice. If she wants to convert, she could convert, but she could be my wife and be Christian. It's fine." But then when they'd ask the Muslim women, "Would you marry a Christian man?" the women would say, "No, it's forbidden." And then one woman pointed out and she said, the men are allowed to marry Christian women. They're allowed to marry women outside of Islam, and the women don't have to convert. But a woman, an Islamic woman, must marry a man also practicing Islam. Why is there that double standard with the men and the women, do you think?
Well, it's not encouraged for Muslims are encouraged to marry Muslim women, but there was a dispensation to marry Jewish and Christian women because there were more men who converted initially to Islam than women.
Oh,
In terms of the reason for that is because Islam is patrilineal, so the children follow the religion of the father.
ah,
So if a Muslim woman marries a Jewish man, then the chances for the children to become Jewish are much higher than the chances for them to become Muslim. And so it was actually about the children. Traditional Catholicism did not allow them to marry outside of the church, but
right,
that was for men and women. Yeah.
right.